Dear students, welcome to 10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. Main reason for Francisco de Almeida implemented blue water policy was to establish supremacy over land, to establish supremacy over sea, to conquer Goa, to defeat the Sultan of Bijapur. Correct answer is option B, to establish supremacy over sea. Teen Murti Bhavan located at Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata, Mumbai. Teen Murti Bhavan located at Delhi. The organ of the United Nations which functions like a global parliament is Secretariat, General Assembly, Trusteeship Council, Security Council. Option B, General Assembly. Narmada movement was led by Sundarlal Bahuguna and Chandi Prasad Bhatt, Medha Patkar and Baba Amte, Shivaram Karant, Kerala Sahitya Parishat. Option B, Medha Patkar and Baba Amte. India became signatory of Child Rights Convention of the UN in 1992, 1994, 1945, 1948. Correct answer is 1992. This natural disaster can be prevented by growing mangrove forests along the coast, landslide, coastal erosion, earthquake, cyclone. Correct answer is coastal erosion. Development of its villages is the true development of India. This statement was said by Mahatma Gandhi, Dadabhai Naoroji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Swami Vivekananda. Mahatma Gandhi. If compensation exceeds more than 1 crore, the complaint should lodge in District Forum, State Commission, National Commission, Supreme Court. National Commission. When was the Dutch East India Company established in India? Dutch East India Company was established in 1602. What is Cold War? The rivalry between the Soviet Union and the United States of America. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice located? Hague. Why was the Silent Valley movement conducted? In order to stop the construction of dam in the Silent Valley in Palghar Taluk of Kerala. Which soil is formed from the weathering of igneous rock? Black soil.